What is up, everyone? It's your boy Sheik here again on Sunday, bringing you some education. Now, everybody's always asking me how I find some swing trades, and I'm going to show you guys a quick little tool that I like to use to find these things. So, pay attention. So, here's a website. It's called finviz.com, finviz.com. Now, in here, you can do a ton of cool things. You can find stocks um, with specific patterns you're looking for, highs, lows, all that good stuff. There's a shit ton of tools on here, but there's a couple tools I'm going to show you guys that I use. First thing you want to do is going to go to Screener right here, and then you're going to go to All. So this first one I'm going to show you guys is pretty simple. You're looking for stocks that are bouncing off lows. So what you're going to do is go to this one that says 52-week high low, and then you're going to go 0 to 10% above low. Now what this is going to do is show you the ones that are 10% above their lows, and what you're going to do is start looking at the charts. But as you can see, there's a ton of stocks right now. So what you're going to want to do to get rid of some of these shitty companies in here is you're going to go to where is it, PE, and you're going to go to profitable. Okay, you're going to click profitable right here. That means these companies are actually profitable and they're not piece of shits. Next, you're going to go to market cap, so that and click on this market cap button so that it adjusts based on the highest market cap. And as you can see, you'll see all these stocks that are bouncing off lows that have a pretty decent market cap. Now, just by scrolling here, looking at it, J&J pretty much bounced off that low and is really nicely above. It broke that 155 area, and it's looking like it's retesting right now. So that would be one good stock to look for to swing. Pepsi, same thing. It kind of rejected and it's coming down. For a retest, I'd look for calls, around this 165, 167 area. Cisco bounced off lows. I like that. Came back. It's retesting this demand area. McDonald's, sort of the same thing. You can see it's bouncing off lows. Let's see. Nike, it kind of looks ugly to me. I don't really like it. It's still at its lows. It hasn't popped off yet. So you might be able to get in early before it pops off. But basically, this is what you're looking for. Look at UPS. It accumulated right at the bottom right there at 135. Kept those lows. Broke out, and it's looking like it might come back down and retest 140. And you can probably grab some calls there. So this is one tool I use to find some stocks you can swing that are pretty cheap. But let's get into the next one. So the next one, what you're going to want to do is reset everything, and you're gonna go to, let's see, where is my volume? Okay, so you're gonna look for, obviously I like to look for stocks that are over $20, so I'll put over 20 over here. Next thing you want to do is find the thing that says optionable. Where are you? Optionable, options short. So you're gonna see this option short one. You're gonna click optionable. That way, it only gives you stocks that have options available, because we don't trade commons. We don't day trade commons. So those are two things. Then you're gonna want to go to current volume, and usually over 500K is pretty good. But if you get too many results, like we're at 1400 right now, you're gonna want to sort through and find to lessen that. You're gonna want to put the volume up. Now, once we got the volume, the two most important things I want to look at is these performance ones. So you're going to see performance and performance 2. First one, what you're going to do is you're going to find quarter, and you're going to put quarter up 10%. As you see, it narrowed down to 544. The next thing you're going to do for performance 2 is you're going to do week down. That means these stocks have been on a roll this quarter, which is in a 3-month period, but just for this week, they've pulled back. They're down. And then you're going to start looking at these charts. So we're down to 242. You're not going to have to look at all of them. What I suggest doing is clicking this chart button. And if you want to lower this, let's say we're at 242, we can go down and change the volume to over 1 million. As you can see, that dropped it to 157. You can see a lot of these stocks, a lot of it is tech. There's a lot of them that have had a huge quarter and they're pulling back right now. Lilly right here, Eli Lilly right here, looks really good. it hit highs. It's been up. It's pulling back down to this demand area of 800. If we can hit 800 and hold, we can grab some calls. Let's see. Costco looks like another good one. It moved up. It's pulled back down to the 50 SMA. And you can see it's holding it. So Costco would be really good for this week as well. Let's take a look at this actually real close. So as you can see right here, it's holding this 50 MA and also this 840 area. If you can get back above this 855, we can pull some calls all the way back up to 900. So this is a good one to add to the watch list that we missed. So this is stuff you're gonna find going through this that'll have you finding those 200, 300% swings, because you're never gonna catch every single time the breakout. What you want to do is get the breakout and pull back. So on a quarter, all these stocks are up, and then they've pulled back down this week. So it's a good time to long them. So they're strong names because for the past 3 months they've been pushing. They're only having a weekly pullback. So these are names you want to start looking at. This is how you find them. Obviously, you can play around with certain things. What you can do is also you can go to relative volume and change this to over 3. What this would do is it's saying that it's having higher volume than it usually does. So it's a good indication that there's a lot of people stepping in to buy it. And as you can see, this dropped it down to 3. What I want to do is adjust this right here to 500K. So 5 of them now. So basically, these 5 right here have basically had a breakout quarter. On the week they're pulling back, and then on top of that, relative volume, as you can see, has skyrocketed. LMB, whatever this name is right here, Limbach Holdings. So you can see, quarterly it's up, weekly it's been pulling back, and it just got huge volume over here. If it holds a 60, you can probably long it. But these are the tools that I use to kind of find some easy stocks to long. Sometimes you guys see me play some random names and you'll ask why I'm playing it. It's because it came up on this and I took a look at the chart and I liked it. So it's something to keep an eye on. Have it on your tool belt and keep using it. And hopefully you guys can get some 500% to 1,000% bangers. So hope this helps. And I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. Hope you guys watched the watch list video. If you didn't, go back and watch that. But hope everybody has a great rest of the Sunday, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.